welcome back to my channel. So in the previous class we have studied about the inheritance of two genes, and after that, on the basis of the inheritance of two gene or the dihybrid cross, Mendel gave his third law, that is called as the Law of Independent Assortment. So we have studied about the inheritance of two genes, that is the round yellow and where the round yellow got crossed with the wrinkled green. Right? And the symbols are here for the round yellow where it is the dominant one. So capital R for the round and capital Y for the yellow. Here the same case where wrinkled, that is the small r, and green is the small y. So on this way these are the parent generation, right? And the gamete we got were the ry and here small ry, and the offsprings are the capital R, capital Y, small y, where these are the heterozygous round yellow seeds. Till this it's clear for us where it is the F1 generation. Coming to the F2 generation where we cross the F1 generation offsprings, that is this capital R, small r and capital Y, small y. So coming to the F2 generation, we got the ratio that is 9:3:3:1 on the basis of the these gametes where capital R, small r, see have a look over here, where capital R, small r and capital Y, small, that is heterozygous round yellow seeds were taken by the Mendel to cross or to get the F2 offsprings. And here we got the gametes, that is capital R, capital Y, capital R, small r, capital Y, and again small r, small y. So totally here also the same thing. So totally we got the 8 gametes, and after crossing them we got the 16 offsprings, right? In that 9 were the round yellow, 3 were the round green, and again 3 were the wrinkled yellow, and the 1 was wrinkled green. This is clear for us. So have a look over here. In case of these gametes, where in case of F2 generation, the gametes formed where they were independently assorted during the formation of the new seeds or the F2 offsprings. Why? Because see, have a look over here. We got the 8 gametes here, right? See, here is the presence of capital R and capital Y, and see, have a look over here where there is the combined or the combination of small r and capital Y, and this will again combine here with the small r, small y, or else it will combine with the capital R, capital Y. In the sense here, what Mendel said is, simply we didn't get any those of the 16 offsprings because the gametes got fused with the other gametes with the independently. There was no any factor to influence them. So have a look over here. See, if this is the chromosome where the capital R stays, and here is the chromosome where small r, where the capital R is dominant and small r is recessive. This is for a single character, that is shape of the seed. And the Y, where on a chromosome the capital Y is present, and on the other chromosome, that is small y, is present. This is for the color of the seed. So is this clear? Here what happens is, we got these gametes, right? This capital R will combine with this capital Y also, and it has the capability to combine with small y also. In the same way, this capital Y will combine with capital R, or else it will combine with the small r. Means here these alleles, as they are present on the different chromosomes, these alleles will be having the chances of independence because they'll assorted or get together with the another allele. So this is called as the law of independent assortment. Good? Is this clear? See, once more I'll tell you, where the capital R allele can get fused with both the capital Y and also the small y. In the same way, the capital Y, it may get fused with the capital R or small r, and also this small r may combine with the capital Y or the small y. Where here all the alleles will be having the freedom or the ability to get assorted with the another allele. So this is called as the law of independent assortment. Good. For example, if your friends have been planned to go somewhere else, and you will be your all friends will be having the option that as I will to come with you, and some may say that I won't come, right? In the same way here also the alleles will be having the independent ability to fuse with the another, and they will form the offsprings. So this is called as the independent assortment. So till now we have studied the three laws of Mendel. That is, the first law is the what? Law of dominance, and we got the three exceptions over there. That is the incomplete dominance, and also the multiple alleles, and also codominance. And coming to second law, that is the law of segregation or law of purity of gametes, where the gametes get separate over here and it don't have any exceptions, so it is the universal law. And coming to this third law, that is law of independent assortment, here we can see the exception. So let's go with the exception of this third law. What exception it is? See, if this is a chromosome and here also the chromosome, so we will be having the homologous chromosome, right? So here is the presence of a gene capital A, and below that there is the presence of capital B, and on this chromosome here the presence of capital small a, and also below that the presence of small b gene. Got? So these are the alleles present or the genes present on these two homologous chromosomes. During cell division or the way the law of segregation will come, these genes or the alleles should get separated. So during that time, here this gene will or this chromosome will get separate like this. See. During division, where again the capital A will come here or the A gene will come here, and here also this small a will come. But here there is no independent assortment over here because they are situated on the same chromosome. Here they are situated on the different chromosome, hence they have the independent assortment ability, but here they are present on the same chromosome. Suppose this A gene came here, and along with the A again the B will come here, and here also the same thing, along with the small a, small b also will get separate. So this is the exception because these alleles are present on the same chromosome, hence they won't get separated independently. So this is called as the linkage. So linkage is one of the exception for the third law, that is the law of independent assortment. So here why it is called as the linkage is because where this capital A allele cannot get assorted with this small a. In the same way where this capital allele A won't get assorted with the small b. And in the same way, that is where small letter a cannot assort with the capital B and also the capital A. Where here we can see that where these alleles are present on the different chromosome, so they got assorted independently. Here these two are closed to each other, where capital A and capital B and also the small a and small b, as they are present on the homologous chromosomes. They are very close to each other. Hence, where this capital B or the small b like this, like crisscross, where no allele will get independently assorted. If A comes over here, again the capital B will come with this only. That's why it is called as the linkage. Here also the same case. If small letter A separates, along with that small b will come. Got? So this is called as the linkage. Is this clear for you? I think it is clear for you. So this finishes the third law of the Mendel. And in the next video, let me come up with some more important aspects. Till then, don't forget to subscribe my channel and study well. Thank you everyone. Take care. Bye bye.